Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be showing to you, or I'll be discussing on how I do my 5-1 talk lesson. So here, this is the first page. So we have to greet the students if how are they doing. Then we will ask them if they are ready for the lesson. So if they are ready, you have to tell them to listen to me and eyes on me. Okay, so let's move on to the second page. So here, we'll just inform the students that we will be having a game, and then if they do a good job, we will give them an ice cream. So if they get 3 ice creams, we will give them a magic star. So we have to take this one. So it will be like this. Okay, so next we are going to introduce the lesson, the title of the lesson. So today we are going to learn about my family, and let them say the title again. And let's ask the students what can they see in the picture. So next, we are going to sing the song first before we start the lesson. The song is Helo Song. Okay, so this is how you sing it. So, hello, 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 how are you? I am good, I am great, I am wonderful. Okay, so here we are going to learn some words and play games. So let's ask them, are you ready? So this is how you use the TPR. Are you ready? Okay, so let's teach the word mom. So you are going to use a TPR. Let's look at the picture. So we don't have to worry because we have a guide here. So the T means the teacher's line. Okay, so this is the boy's mom. So let's read and clap. Okay, so it says here that circle the word mom. Okay, circle the word mom. Okay, and can you read it 3 times? So this is how they count their numbers. One, two, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so clap your hands with each syllable. Okay, can you read it 3 times and clap your hands? What's this word? Mom. Mom, mom, mom. Okay, so here we are going to teach the word mom in a sentence. Okay, so let's ask the student, who is she? Okay, so let's circle Timmy's mom. Okay, so let's read Timmy's word. Okay, so she is my mom. Can you read it? Okay, very good. So now this is the boy's dad. Okay, so and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's go to the games. Okay, so you will tell the student, let's play a game called Family Search. Okay, look, there are 3 photos on the wall. Can you find the moms? Okay, so the TPR of find is like this. Can you find the moms? Okay, so tick. Tick the mom in the first photo. Okay, so the student are going to tick the mom. Okay, so let's find the mom in the second photo. Okay, let's tick. Tick the mom in the second photo. Okay, and then the third one. Okay, so this time, let's play a game called Family Search. So this time we are going to find the dads. So here, um, in every page, just like this one, we are going to read and talk. So you have to say, are you ready? Okay, then here is the page where we do a role play. Okay, so let's do a role play. You will be Anna and I will be Timmy. Okay, let's start. Hello, Timmy. Hello, Anna. Okay, and then, okay, so here we are going to play some games. Are you ready? Okay, so let's play a game called Jump and Say. So you have to jump, you have to stand up and jump, and then um, you will say, let's help Timmy. Okay, so find the missing part here. Okay, so the pattern is mom. So jump, mom, mom, dad, dad. Okay, so here, what is the answer? So the student will say, dad. Okay, very good. So don't forget to give a magic star. Okay, so here, let's play a game called Listen and Trace. So you will do like that. You have to guide the student. And here also, who is she? She is my mom. Who is he? Then, in the last part, so you will say, this is what we learned today. What's this word? Okay, mom, dad. And the sentence says, she is my mom. He is my dad. And the goodbye song. Okay, so don't forget to thank the students and tell him or her, see you soon in my next class. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Okay, so that's it for my discussion about how I do my lesson in 5-1 Talk. So I will be showing you an example, but unfortunately my voice was not recorded. So something to do with the mic. I did not set up it correctly, so please bear with me. But you should be hearing the voice of the student.
Hello, my name is Alice. I'm fine, thank you. And you? One, two, three. Timmy didn't know what to wear on the first day of the new term. Timmy is wearing a piece of brown trousers. Sam wearing a blue jacket. Yes. First day of the new term. Timmy doesn't know what to wear, so he calls Sam. What are you wearing? I'm wearing a blue jacket and a piece of yellow trousers. Trousers. Also a black sneakers. Okay. discussion. Timmy's class is having a discussion. Right. Okay. Hmm. Racist. The students can play in the recess. Uniforms. Students can wear uniforms. Occasion. The students are having an occasion. Oh,
What grade are you in? Ang little snowman run but there are my matches. Here is my hat and the little scarf and a carrot nose. You stand so tall when the cold wind blows. Yes, homework, 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 home.
So if you want to know how to navigate their website and also how to do the lesson memo, just comment down below and I'll be happy to share it with you guys. So thank you so much. I hope you learned something in this video. So please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, lobsters.